Today, we're diving into 6 powerful reasons why Jamaica's economic future looks incredibly bright and promising. Whether you're a local, part of the Jamaican diaspora, or just fascinated by Jamaica's growth, these insights will show you why the island is poised for amazing progress in the coming years. Let's get started. Number 1. A resilient and growing economy. Jamaica's economy has been steadily growing, proving its resilience despite global challenges. One of the biggest drivers? Tourism. As the cornerstone of Jamaica's economy, tourism is booming with new investments pouring into resorts, hotels, and infrastructure. These developments are fueling even more growth and creating jobs island-wide. Number 2. The power of the Jamaican diaspora. Jamaicans living abroad do much more than send money home. They are cultural ambassadors who amplify Jamaica's brand globally through music, sports, business, and academia. This worldwide influence strengthens Jamaica's international reputation and attracts investment. Plus, remittance flows from the diaspora are crucial for supporting households and boosting local savings and investments. Number 3. Exciting energy prospects on the horizon. Jamaica is actively pursuing energy security and sustainability. Recent offshore exploration activities have gained momentum, attracting both national and international interest. While major commercial oil or gas fields are yet to be confirmed, any discoveries could transform Jamaica's economy, especially if development aligns with sustainable energy goals. Number 4. Cultural exports and the creative economy. From reggae and dancehall legends to world-famous actors, athletes, and authors, Jamaican culture is a powerhouse export. Cultural tourism, through festivals, culinary experiences, music, and heritage tours, is a growing sector that enriches the economy and boosts Jamaica's global image. Number 5. Strategic investment in diversification and infrastructure. Jamaican authorities are committed to diversifying the economy beyond tourism. There's strong focus on agriculture, renewable energy like solar and wind, and digital services. Upgrades to critical infrastructure such as roads, ports, and airports are also enhancing connectivity, making Jamaica an even more attractive destination for foreign investors. Number 6. Youthful energy and entrepreneurial spirit. Jamaica's vibrant youth are launching innovative startups in fintech, agri-tech, music tech, tourism, and social media platforms like YouTube. This dynamic entrepreneurial spirit, combined with a young and talented workforce, is fueling fresh ideas and promising long-term economic growth. In summary, Jamaica's bright economic future is backed by a resilient economy, a powerful diaspora, promising energy developments, rich cultural exports, smart diversification efforts, and an unstoppable wave of youthful innovation. Whether you're tuning in for Jamaican news or simply love everything about the island, these 6 reasons show why Jamaica is heading for a prosperous and exciting future.